Bollywood stars who don't have good relation with their families. Kangana Ranaut. Apparently, when Kangana was small, her father slapped her and she told him, "If you slap me, I will slap you back." During her struggling days in Bollywood, she did not even have enough money to feed herself. But she refused to ask for assistance from her parents because of their relationship. She told the media once that she was an unwanted child in her family. Surveen Chawla. Surveen Chawla got fame with her hot avatar in her debut film Hate Story. Her exposing in the movie did not go down well with her parents. According to reports, her parents were pretty upset seeing the steamy scenes of their daughter in the promos of the movie. Amisha Patel. Amisha Patel started her career with Kaho Na Pyar Hai opposite Hrithik Roshan. She got into ugly battle with her parents after the movie, alleging her father mishandling her earnings. She even sued him for ₹12 crore and left the house and told media that her mother had hit her with a slipper. Pratik Babbar. Pratik Babbar is the son of Raj Babbar and late actress Smita Patil. He had said that his father was never with him while growing up and he was busy with his other family. Ranbir Kapoor. He once revealed that as a child, he used to wake up in the middle of the night and cry after hearing his parents fight. Late actor Rishi Kapoor had also revealed that he is very upset that Ranbir and him aren't friends. Amitabh Bachchan. Amitabh Bachchan also shares a strained relationship with his brother Ajitabh Bachchan. Ajitabh Bachchan decided not to write a book about the family after announcing that he was going to write a book. Rekha. In an interview, Rekha revealed that her father had once come to pick his children up from a school and walked right past her without even recognizing her. Rekha's troubled relationship with her father led to her family becoming financially unstable. Thank you for watching.